Hey, we fixed it. We're back on the radioberry using Theus software. No antenna hooked up, and it's about an S4. It's about an S4, which is just a little bit above what the previous light was when we tested that. So here's my radioberry hat with the fan connected. So what I had to solder were these two ground pads. The field gate array is above one of them, and the Cyclone 016 ADC chip is above the other one. And this time I used a little bit more heat. I've got a hot air gun that I preheated it with. Then I got out this guy. It's a little butane. Cleaned off that tip really well after I heated it up, so there wasn't any contaminants on it. And went over that and added a little rosin core solder. Made sure it wasn't acid core. And that seemed to fix it. So more you know. Bye.